In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate AliExpress, a massively popular online retail service known for its wide range of products at competitive prices. Whether you're looking to track your order, initiate a return, or simply manage your account, this guide will help you do just that. Let's start by heading over to the AliExpress homepage. You can do this by typing www.aliexpress.com into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. Once the home page loads, you'll be greeted with a plethora of featured products, categories, and exciting deals. Before diving into the shopping, let's get familiar with managing your account. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the account section. Click on the account icon, which grants access to your personalized space on AliExpress. It's important to be logged in so that any actions you take will apply to your account, like viewing your orders or processing returns. Once you're in your account menu, look for the My Orders tab. This section is particularly useful if you've made a recent purchase or are anticipating the arrival of a package. Clicking on My Orders will display a comprehensive list of all purchases you've made on AliExpress, complete with details such as order status, tracking information, and estimated delivery dates. As an added tip, keeping track of your order here ensures you know exactly when your package is expected, especially when you're eagerly waiting for a specific item. Now let's move on to what happens if you find yourself in a situation where you need to return a product or request a refund. Navigate back to My Orders and you'll see an option labelled Returns Refunds. Click on it to enter the dedicated section for handling returns. Here, AliExpress makes it relatively straightforward to address any issues with your orders. You'll need to locate the specific order in question and then follow the on-screen instructions to initiate a return or request a refund. It will often require you to provide some details about the issue, and in some cases photos may be necessary for verification. Once your request is submitted, the seller will be notified and you'll be able to track the progress of your return through your account. To wrap things up, managing your AliExpress account is really about understanding where to find the information you need and how to access features like order tracking and returns. Utilizing these tools can greatly enhance your online shopping experience, making it both convenient and efficient. Remember, AliExpress has a vast marketplace full of options, so mastering these basics will help you shop with confidence, knowing you can handle any follow-up steps seamlessly. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on AliExpress.